Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here is a quick update on the new plant which I purchased recently, the mulberry plant. You can see the first fruit is ready for the harvest. Not completely ready, it's but almost ready. You can see it's already turned into purple here. So initially it looks like this. Any fruiting in this mulberry plant looks like this, greenish part. Then it will start turning into like pinkish part. You can see that it's already starting to turn into pinkish. You can see one is already completely turned into pinkish. Then this pink will turn into this purple kind of thing. You can see here in this fruit. Only the bottom portion is still pink. Rest everything is already turned into purple. So once it's completely turned into purple, it's ready for the harvest and you can eat it. So this plant I had bought it like almost like 2 months back. I think I bought it from Nursery Live. So yeah, it's growing good. These were the initial leaves. When I got it itself, these leaves were already damaged. So I've just kept it like that only. You can see this new leaves developing. It's healthy leaves. So once it's little more developed, then I'll just cut this old leaves, which is almost like completely damaged due to this white mealybugs. I tried to handle this one, but it was already completely damaged. So once this healthy leaves little more it's developed, I'll just trim this old leaves, and then I'll make sure these leaves are not going to get affected. So yeah, that's about this mulberry plant. I'm really happy. Like mulberry plant is something which you don't have to do any means the care required for this mulberry plant is very less, and the berries will keep on coming up. So I'm just hoping it starts producing more berries. So that's about this. So coming to my old plant, this is the citron plant. You would have seen almost like I had harvested around 15 citron, or in Kannada we call this elikai. So again they are back with the new fruiting. Can you see that? 3 here and couple here. One guy here, and I think one more guy should be there somewhere here. So totally 5 are there already. I think some more will come, but it's really good. I'm really very impressed with this plant, because like last time also I showed you, this is the container size. In this container size I'm getting this kind of harvest. That's really amazing. Next, this is my orange plant. Here also I had got like almost close to 10 oranges I got. Like those of you who are already following me from long time, you would have seen the plant and the oranges also. So it's completely harvested, and you can see that all that old branches were dried after I harvested the oranges, right? All that stems were completely dried off. So I just trimmed everything. You can see that, and these are all newly grown leaves actually. So it's completely growing well, and I have not seen any new flowering in this plant so far. So I'm hoping similar to my citron, this will also start coming up with new fruiting very soon. So this is my chiku plant. You would have seen my old chiku here. This that is my old one, and this is like been like 2-3 years something. But you can see what is great thing here is 3 chikus have come up in this plant. One here and one more somewhere, it should be there. Yeah, here is one more. 2. So you can see 2 here, and one more somewhere, it should be there. Yeah, there. Can you see that behind? So 3 chikus have developed for this time. So it's good actually. You can see the container size again same, 20-liter bucket. In this chiku plant is growing. So that's really good actually. So one more new fruit which is ready for harvest for this season is this grape orange ice. We call this in English. This is not ready for harvest, sorry, but it's you can see how well it's grown actually. Still it has to develop. It will turn into yellowish, I believe, for when it's ready for harvest. So this guy has been almost like close to 2 years in my garden. All the time the flowering was coming very well, but flowers were getting dropped. That was the problem with this plant. This time also same thing has happened. You can see here, so many have flowers were there, and everything has dried or dropped actually. You can see here. So far none of the fruit I have harvested in this plant. So everything same thing has happened, like it's dropped off. But this time one guy has completely developed into a really great good harvest. This one. So I've just consumed it. So when it's ready for the harvest, I'll be harvesting, and I'll even show you how it looks inside and all, for those of you who doesn't know the grapefruit. So yeah, that's about this plant. And one more amazing news is lemon. This is the lemon plant. So for last 2 years, I think only one lemon I had harvested. This time also one lemon I just recently harvested from this plant. But what is really great is, you can see this. Can you see all the tiny lemons? Just few weeks back, all this were like were in flowering stage. Everything is almost all the flowering have turned into lemons. You can see that so many lemons have come up now. I think close to 20, I can say. Can you see that? So many are there. Hope all of them grows into healthy big lemons. Yeah, not so huge, but at least decent size. Hoping, and I'm sure that they will become. Usually, all the citron plants which I have in my garden have never disappointed me. So hopefully, this lemon also will turn into a good harvest for me this time. So again, this is also same 20-liter bucket. So why I'm stressing on this bucket sizes for people who are worried, whether you can grow plants in the limited place which you have in your houses or like in your balcony. So you can definitely grow it. That's why I'm showing you all the container size and the space they are occupying. See, almost all of the plants have grown as in these kind of containers, and they are really giving a good harvest only. So yeah, that's it for the update from my side. Hope you like the progress, the way the plants are really doing well. So I'm stopped doing like a lot of updates recently, so I'm doing only less updates. Yeah, that's it from my side. Hope you like the video. Thank you.